We'll guide you through how to create a Wix Studio tutorial. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're in, click on the Create New Site button. You'll be prompted to choose a template. Browse through the options and select one that fits the vision for your tutorial. Click Edit to start customizing your site. You'll enter the Wix editor, where you can personalize your template. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel with various options like menus and pages, background, add, and apps. Start by clicking on Add. This is where you can include text, images, videos, buttons, and more. Drag and drop these elements onto your page to start building your content. If you're creating a tutorial, you might want to include a video section. Click on Video and choose how you want to display it, then drag it onto your page. You can upload your own video or link to a YouTube video. Next, go to Text to add any instructions or titles. You can customize the font, size, and color to match your style. Now, if you want to add a new page for different sections of your tutorial, go back to the Menus and Pages option. Click Add Page and name it according to the content you want to host there. Once you've customized your pages and content, click Preview at the top right to see how your site looks. If everything looks good, click Publish to make your site live. Remember, you can always go back and make edits as needed. Wix Studio makes it easy to update and tweak your content whenever you need. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.